In the future, when we are working with the quadratic formula, we are going to have to be simplifying expressions like this in 13. So we're practicing it here. So the radical can be simplified into the square root of 25 times the square root of 2. And then that square root of 25 just becomes a 5. Next, I want to split this up into two fractions. So I'm going to give the denominator 5 to both of these. And then I want to reduce these fractions. So 15 over 5 reduces to 3. And this 5 divided by 5 reduces to 1. So I don't divide the radical by the denominator, but I do need to carry the radical along. And then lastly, we don't need to put this 1 here, because 1 times square root of 2 is just square root of 2. So our final answer would be 3 plus square root of 2.